How to fix missing live option on TikTok. Hey, what's up guys? Welcome back to our YouTube channel, and in today's video, I'm going to show you how you can fix your problem. First thing first, make sure your application is updated. For that, head over to your Play Store, then type in TikTok. If it shows update, tap on update and update your app. Now for the next step, head over to your TikTok application itself, then get logged into your TikTok account. Now tap onto your profile on your bottom right hand side, and you have to know that in order to go live or to see the live button, you have to be over 18 and you need to have at least 1,000 followers or more than that. If you have 1,000 followers and you are still facing that problem, then here is what you should do. Tap on 3-bar icon, tap on settings and privacy. Scroll all the way below and under support and about, tap on report a problem. Once done, at this section, tap on Account and Profile, then tap on Profile Page. Tap on Other at the below section. Here tap on Need More Help. Then here simply tap on this Live button and Get Help via TikTok Help Desk. Here you can simply type in, even though you have 1,000 followers or so, you are still not being able to see the live button. And here you can simply follow the prompt in order to solve your problem. Just like so guys, and this is how you can fix it. Thank you all for watching, and we will catch you up in our next upload.